Good morning, people. Thank you for your likes on our page English Communication Class. Don't forget to share our lesson on your Facebook profile or page. So, for today's lesson, you are going to have the sharing with Madam Lia Subahe. By this opportunity, I would like to welcome the new student who just liked the page and also the loyal students who are eager to gain the knowledge from us. Thank you. Enjoy the lessons. So, for the very last subtopic in this chapter of inquiries, I will share some knowledge on oral inquiries. Do you have any idea what is oral inquiries? Basically, oral inquiries is an inquiry which consists of single questions or maybe a series of questions. We normally make inquiries in social conversation in order to get information from the other persons. There are few methods of social inquiries. For the first one is WH questions, yes-no questions, or direct, indirect questions. Do you have any idea what is WH questions? Alright, for WH questions, we have to use certain keywords. For instance, where, when, why, what, and also who. There are few sentences that I have stated here. For instance, where does he live? When did they have dinner? Why is he going to study French? What does she use? Who do they like? The answer to WH questions normally repeats the same verbs as in the question form. For example, where does he live? He lives in Sarawak. For the second method is direct, indirect questions. We can use certain sentences to change the questions to be direct or indirect. For the first one, direct. Where is Lin? You can use a different context or different sentences for you to make it into indirect question. For example, I was wondering if you know where Lin is. It is the same context, it delivered the same message, but it used a different sentences. The second example is, what time is the meeting? If you would like to use that in the indirect question, you could twist that to be, could you know? Tell me what time the meeting is. Lastly, for the yes-no questions, you can use certain words. For instance, is do or are. Do you live in Merlimau? Yes, I do. Did he go to work yesterday? Yes, he did. Are you coming to the meeting tomorrow? No, I am not. Yes or no question are generally answered with auxiliary verb, which is or are. Alright, let's have some activity. Let's read aloud. We can refer to conversation 1. The conversation is the conversation between operator and Marina. There are few sentences that use an inquiries that you can see from the green highlighted words. Operator, good afternoon. How can I help you? Marina answered, good afternoon. I am planning a trip to New York and I need some information. Yes, when will you be arriving? On April 1st. How can I get to Manhattan from the airport? And the operator answered, which airport will you arrive at? LaGuardia Airport. Oh, you can take M60. Where is Manhattan does it go? The M60 goes to the west side and the east side. When does your flight arrive? At 10 a.m. Enjoy your visit, miss. Thank you. So basically, you could find a few examples of oral inquiries from the conversation ones. I have highlighted that to make it easier for you to identify and recognize which one is the oral inquiries. Alright, that's all for today's lesson. Thank you.